Repeat after me essential English phrases for beginners. Ready? Let's begin. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm okay. What's your name?
My name is. Nice to meet you. Nice to see you. How old are you?
I'm 26 years old. Where are you from?
I'm from London. What do you do?
I'm a student. I work in business.
Yes. No. Maybe. Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. No problem. Goodbye. See you later. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Take care. Good luck. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Menu, please. I would like something warm. Do you have soup? What do you recommend? Water, please. Coffee, please. Tea, please. Milk, please. Juice, please. I want soup. I don't want tomatoes. No spicy, please. Vegetarian, please. Gluten-free, please. More water, please. The bill, please. How much is this? Is service included? It's delicious. It's too salty. It's too sweet. Can I get a box? I'm allergic to peanuts. Breakfast. Lunch. Dinner. Fork. Knife. Spoon. Plate. Glass. Napkin. Ice. How much is this? That's expensive. Do you have cheaper? Can I try it on? Where is the fitting room? It's too big. It's too small. It fits well. I'll take this. Do you take credit cards? Cash only? Can I pay by card? Receipt, please. Bag, please. I'm just looking. What size is this? Do you have another color? Where is the kids section? When do you open? When do you close? On sale. Discount. Out of stock. New. Old. Beautiful. Ugly. Comfortable. Uncomfortable. Good quality. Bad quality. T-shirt. Pants. Shoes. Dress. Where is the airport? How do I get to the bus stop? Turn left. Turn right. Go straight. It's near. It's far. How long does it take? Bus stop. Train station. Airport. Taxi. Ticket. One ticket, please. How much is the fare? Where is the bathroom? Hotel. Room. Reservation. Check in. Check out. Passport. Visa. Luggage. Map. Street. Address. Number. Bank. Money. Exchange rate. Safe. Dangerous. Police. Help. Help. Emergency. Call the police. Call an ambulance. I need a doctor. I'm sick. I'm hurt. It hurts here. Hospital. Medicine. Pharmacy. Fever. Headache. Stomachache. Toothache. Cold. Hot. Pain. Accident. Dangerous. Stop. Be careful. Fire. Police. Doctor. Nurse. Sick. Better. Worse. Blood. Broken. Bite. Fall. Cut. Burn. Great job. Practice 20 phrases daily. Subscribe for more.